Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I am going to tell you about the use of rice water for the glowing and young skin. As we all know that rice water is enriched with starch. It also contains vitamin E. It will help you a lot to lighten your pigmentation, also balance the sebum production and also eliminates acne causing bacteria. Also, if you don't want to use any synthetic toner from market, then you can use this organic formula. This is safe to use and good for all skin types. You can use it every single day. This is so simple to make a rice toner at home. You can take some rice, just wash them to remove any impurities or dust particles, and then soak them in water for 2 to 3 hours till this liquid turns milky, so that all the nutrients of the rice get into the water. And after that, you have to drain this water with a strainer in a bottle or in a jar. Add this liquid in a spray bottle so you can sprinkle it on your face daily, or you can use it twice in a day. Once you have made this liquid, you can use it at least 1 week or more than this. But whenever you observe any smell, you can discard it. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.